Thanks for staying with us this afternoon. If you have years of unfiled tax returns, you may feel a little bit overwhelmed, but there are some smart steps you can take to get a handle on your filing. So joining us now, we have Kimberly Washington. And Kim, you have a few ways to kind of help people get prepared. What are the first steps you need to take if you have years of taxes you haven't filed?
Right, so first get to understand what years you do need to file at this time. You can do that two different ways. Of course, you can call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. You can call them, or you can create an online account. Once you create that online account, you can actually log in and determine which years you need to file. One thing you do want to keep in mind, in some instances, certain years you may not be required to file because of your income, but the thing that you want to keep in mind, if you're expecting a refund, you do want to file no matter what to make certain that you get that money back.
And Kim, if someone's listening right now, they're ready to file, but they don't have that tax information or, those tax records, what should they do?
Right. A lot of people are like, okay, I want to file, but I don't have my W-2s, my 1099s. You can, again, go over to the IRS.gov, log into your account. All of your information will be there, whether it's your W-2s, your 1099s. Those support documents will be there. Also, if you paid certain expenses like student loans or mortgage interest, that information is going to be listed there as well. So keep that in mind and make sure that you retrieve that information there.
And Kim, I know there's a limited time out there that tax filers can actually go ahead and claim a tax refund.
Right.
What do they need to do and what do they need to know?
Right. So one thing you want to know is that you have 3 years to actually claim that refund. So if you've been waiting for filing your tax return and you're expecting a refund, do it as soon as possible. So let me give you an example. For 2019, you can actually file. You only have, of course, until 2023 in order to get that refund. So you do want to keep that in mind, of course, and you want to file as soon as possible to get your money back.
And if they're still out there, Kim, some people I know haven't filed in years. What are some other tips you can give them as they kind of start this process?
First thing, of course, file as soon as possible. You do want to file because that's going to reduce your penalties and interest. So that's the first step that you want to take. Also, you want to talk to a professional and say, okay, what steps do I need to take to get this behind me? But you just want to start taking those proactive steps to get your tax returns filed. Even if you have years and years, get everything under control at this point.
Well, we hope they will take that advice. And Kim, as always, where can they find you if they have some more questions or looking for some more tips?
Questions, of course, you can go to Kim Sense and find me there.
All right, Kim, always a pleasure, and
so
thank you
much.
for that resourceful information.
Thank you so much.